Hey guys, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to continue my tutorial series about how to make Unity third-person game. In my case, it is an horror game, but it is not creepy at all because it is just the beginning. Okay, what I'm going to do in this video is to switch between this scene, the third-person walking scene, and the car driving scene that I have made this tutorial previously. On my previous video, I was making this car controller tutorial. Everything was using free Unity standard assets for this car controller and Unity starter asset for the third person controller. Okay, the objective of this video is to create a system that player can switch between walking and car driving. What I'm going to do first is to create a door here in this my scene. It is a door to start interior scene. I'm going to duplicate this one and this one. It is the start point object and this is the door object. I duplicate it this way. I can type anything, not only start point, just blah, it's fine. And here I will type the scene name. The scene name is car driving blah, and this I'm thinking about this thing. Why do I have this start point empty game object and also this these two names here, start point 2 and start point 2, is a duplicated work? I don't know, I forgot why I did this. Just let me do it as I did. Later I will think about it again and show it to you what is better solution for this such thing, because it is a duplicated work. We need to type the start point name here and also here, but never mind. For this video, just forget about it for now. Let me place it here and rotate it here this way, and the start point I will place it. Oh no. Okay guys, I got the I remember this blah is the start point name of the start point object that we will add to this car driving game. Inside this car driving game, I will make a door and a start point object like this, and I will name the start point object this name with this name blah. But this blah is not that blah on this car driving scene that we are going to add. This is something else. This will be start point from car driving. Let me just type it this way so I will not get confused why I have same name like this one, start point 2 and start point 2, start point 1 and start point 1. Okay, sorry for that, and let's continue Well, I have this door object with the name car driving. Car driving is the name of the scene. Blah is the start point name. I'm going to copy these two objects and open the scene, paste it here. I will, where should I place it? This is good placement. Yeah, here I need to rename this start point object to blah, and this door object I will name it my scene, and the start point name of that one I have to modify this part. The start point name should be this name, start point from car driving. This is what we need to do.
Bikin apa sih bobotnya?
Mobil-mobilan. Yeah, here I paste the name. No, not this one. Here, this one. Alright, before I start the game, I'm sure that there will be a conflict between this camera that I have here and the player camera that I have in third person controller. So just for now, temporarily I will disable my main camera here. Let me rename it to car driving camera. Right now I'm just disabling it temporarily. And UI system, this one will be unnecessary because we will use the existing UI system that we have in this prefab. I have player rig here. I need this player rig. I will copy and paste it to this car driving scene, and also I will need this scene image script inside this script object. So these two I will copy these two objects and paste it here on car driving object. Okay, and the canvas, there will be conflict between this car driving canvas and the canvas of third person controller that I have here, this canvas. To avoid the conflict, temporarily I will also disable this canvas, car driving canvas. I rename it this way and I disable it. Okay, make sure that I already add this car driving scene to the build setting. I will run the main menu scene and go playing it. Play now. I will go to this door, the car driving door. Here I will enter it. Here I am inside this car driving scene. Okay, and the next thing is how can I enter the car and then drive the car. For that thing, because I think it will be a bit more complicated, I will show it to you later on my next video. So this video is just the preparation of this car entering thingy. It will not be realistic car entering simulation. Yeah, I don't have the person entering car animation. No, I don't have it. So I will just simply disable the third person control and enable the car driving controller when I enter the car, so the character will be gone and I can drive the car. And then if I quit or exit the car, where the car controller will be disabled and the third person controller will be re-enabled again. That is what my plan. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon on my next tutorial. Bye bye.